going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Yeezy 700 Faded Azure. Let's get into it. First, you got your normal Yeezy 700 box. It has 700 on the box. You got Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas on the side. Yeezy Boost 700 on the front tag. It says size 7. And the color is Faded Azure, Faded Azure, Faded Azure. Let's get into it. First, we're gonna open this up. Got the same normal cream tissue paper on the inside of the box. Now we're gonna pull out these. So here we go. The Yeezy 700 Faded Azure. 360 before we get started. All right, and let's get to it. All right, we got this nice tealish green colorway that's different for the 700. Usually we used to the normal 700s with the orange going around the bottom, but this time we got a teal green looking color going around the shoebox. You got your signature 700, two orange little symbols right here. You got the light, well, I would say like a college blue splash going right here. You got your in the mesh colorway in mesh, and you got your leather, a light leather blue going around. You got a dark, I would say that's a goldish color right here on the mesh, also with the silver little tone that's connected to the shoelaces. You got your smoke gray shoelaces that come on the shoes, which is a nice touch. You got your signature little 3D reflective signature little dots going on right here. The back of the shoe is the same light greenish teal color. I guess this is the Faded Azure. I guess this is the color Faded Azure is, so that's what we're gonna go with. You got that color going throughout the inside of the shoe also, and the inside says Yeezy in silver. It might be hard to see that. Then you got the bottom, that's a smoke gray bottom with your boost going on the bottom like all Yeezy 700s. They didn't come with any extra shoelaces, so this is what we got, the smoke gray shoelaces, which is a nice touch to the shoe. It actually brings the shoe out, but orange would also brought this out too. They had some orange laces, so that would have been nice, but we didn't get any extra shoelace swap, so smoke gray it is. This colorway to me was a must-have, and this is because all the 700s usually look about the same way normally to me, but this one they just went totally 360 when they changed the whole colorway and even on the bottom part of it, because usually I'm so used to the orange going around, or either, yeah, mainly orange, because the only ones that don't have orange is the mine went blank, the regular, not the regular, what they call the WaveRunner, sorry, the WaveRunner. They're the only ones that don't have that didn't have the orange going around the bottom, but they still had the signature orange little things going on the bottom of the shoe. So, but yeah, this was a totally different colorway, and I liked it. I had to have this colorway because these are nice. This shoe is so very comfortable. I usually always size, I have a size up in Yeezys, but for some reason this Yeezy started off with like size men's 7, so I had to go with a 7 because that's the only size it started off. That was the lowest size to start off with, but after I tried them on and put them on, they was perfectly fine. It fit just like the 6.5 fit, so I was no complaints with that. This shoe was just a shoe that I had to have, like I said, because it was nice. Also, I left out this part right here is leather, so that's like different. So this shoe is pretty much made up of leathers, suede, and mesh, and that's nice. This, I mean, everybody had a different, opinions on this colorway too, because it was different and the blues, but to me this color is just nice. Like I put this up there with the WaveRunner, so I'll go WaveRunners number 1, and I go these number 2. That's my opinion. But y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about the new Yeezy 700 Faded Azure. Did you try to cop them or did you pass on them? Let me know. I haven't said, go ahead and go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. And also follow me on Instagram. I haven't said that in a while. Well, probably never said it, but now, hey, follow your girl on Instagram. It's @SnkrMom, same as my YouTube name. And on there, yeah, sometimes I put on fits, and you know, you can see how I style the shoes or whatnot. And you know, leave me comments there. I'll answer those comments too. I'll reply right back to those. So, hey, yeah, it's just another way to continue to communicate with everybody and continue to just, you know, have fun with these reviews and do what we all love to do. Look at shoe videos and listen to shoe content. So, but yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.